Jai Hind, dear students. I hope you understand what we have read so far. In today's class, we are going to start something very interesting. Suppose you ask to multiply a number with itself. Then what will you do? What will be the product known as? Yes, of course. You will square a number. The multiplication of a number by itself is the squaring of a number. We have already studied about square of a number in one of our video. Now, squaring of a small number like 1, 2, 3 are so easy to find. But can we find the square of 23 so quickly? The answer is not so easy and we need to multiply 23 by 23. But there is a way to find square of this without having to multiply 23 by 23. Yes, we are going to learn that today. We know that 23 can be written as 20 plus 3, right? We can easily split the number as 2 at the tens place can be written as 20 and 3 at the unit place can be written as 3. So the addition gives us 23. Now 23 square, can we write 23 square as 20 plus 3 square? Of course yes, why not? Now square of 20 plus 3 means that we have 20 plus 3 two times. One time 20 plus 3 and second time 20 plus 3. This means this, right? Now after this step what we can do? We will multiply first bracket to second bracket. We will first select 20 multiplied by the second bracket 20 and 20 multiplied by the second bracket 3. Again plus 3 multiplied by 20 and the rest plus 3 multiplied by 3. This we usually do to multiply the brackets. Now 20 times 20 is 400, 20 times 3 is 60, 3 times 20 is also 60. Now 3 times 3 we will write 9. Now we will simplify it. So 60 plus 60 can be written as 120 plus 9. Addition of this will give us final result as 429. It means that 429 is the square of 23. As you can see on the screen, there are one more method to multiply the two brackets. So by any method, whatever you feel easy, you can do it by breaking two numbers. Whatever two-digit numbers you have, first of all you have to. And what fundamental you will use? The number which will be present at the tens place, you will write it with 0 and plus the unit digit place. So this is the main fundamental what you need to use while solving this method. Clear? Very easy. Just break the number properly and solve the brackets. Now one more thing I want to add, that as you already know what is the formula of a plus b square, by that method you can also do. So a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, or you can write a square plus 2ab plus b square also. Now using this formula we will going to learn how to find a square. If you will compare your splitting to this formula, you can easily understand what to do. B is your 3 and A is your 20. Clear? By just comparing you can understand that A is your 20 and B is your 3. So applying this formula, 20 plus 3 whole square will gives you, first of all it is A square, it means 20 whole square plus B square 3 square plus 2AB, 2 times 20 into 3, right? 20 square, 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 zeros. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 times 20 is 40. 40 into 3 gives you 120. Now on adding we will get 529. Clear? So in this way you have learned 3 ways to find the square of number by only splitting. So this is very nice formula to find the square of any two number, right? So in this way, without multiplying it and having so long multiplication, easily you can split the numbers, and with the help of any process you can proceed. It's up to you. Just you need to say that your all steps are correct. Now let us take one more example. Let's take 46 for better understanding of this concept. 46 can be split it into 40 plus 6, right? And we need to find the square of it. Let us take 40 as A and 6 as B. It means that we have to find the square of A plus B. A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2 times of A and B. If you don't remember the formula, you can write the formula also. So 1600 is the square of 40, 36 is the square of 6, and 2 times 40 is 80. 80 times 6 will gives you final result as 480. Clear? Now, after adding this, we will get 2116 as our final result. It means that 46 square is 2116. See how easy it was to find the square of any number? So now let us take another example, 81. More easy way to split 81 is 80 plus 1 only. So now using formulas for A plus B whole square, we will get A square first. So 80 square will gives you 6400. B square, 1 square is 1 and 2AB. So 2 into 18 into 1. It will gives you 160. Now adding this, we will get final result as 6561. So 81 square is 6561. Now let us take one more example. So let's take 92. The best possible way to split 90 is 90 plus 2 only, so that your calculation will become more easier. Now pause the video and try to do it by yourself. If you feel any difficulties, then see the solution. Here A is 90 and B is 2. That's why A square gives you 8100, B square is 2 square, that is 4, and 2AB, 2 into 90 into 2. So your final result will be 360. Now we have to add this to get our final result. See, every number's unit is it. We will get 4. Now 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 8 is left. So 8464 is our final result. So 92 square is 8464. Now take any other number except this and try to do by yourself. You will find that it is very easy method and we can find the square of any number so quickly. Just you need to do lots of practice. So now you have learned how to square any two given number. Also using this concept you can easily find any number ending with 5 also. So why we are studying this separately? 5 is having more interesting pattern. So let's check it out. 5 square is 25 as we all know. Now let us take some bigger number. Then you will understand what is the concept of this squaring. So 25. Let's take 25. As we have done lots of questions, 25 came many times. So we all know that square of 25 is 625. But the most important thing that how we get 625, like what is the concept behind this? It is very important to understand the concept behind everything. If you will know the concept, you can use this concept anywhere in any question, like in your competitive exams or in the next grades, anywhere. So concepts should be clear. So it's my suggestion, please try to find the concept behind anything you do. So now let's come to the topic. We were discussing that how we will get the answer if we will multiply any number ending with 5. So we have taken 25 number, we have done the square of that and we have got 625 as our result. Right? So now if we will split 625, like what makes this number? So the basic method is 600 plus 25. Right? Now again if we will do splitting of 600, the basic method, what we will get? We will get 6 and there are 2 zeros also, so maybe we had multiplied by 100. So 6 into 100 is the splitting of 600 and plus 25 we will write as it is. Now again we will do splitting of 6, the basic method from where 6 came. So 2 into 3 only. Now 100 we will copy and also plus 25. So we have splitted 625 and we got 2 into 3 into 100 plus 25. Right? Logic is same. We will get the result 625 only. But let's learn the concept behind this. First of all, we will understand how a particular number has been written. Like if we will say 25, so how 25 is written? We have already done the splitting of 25, but if we have any other number, let us take x, and at the unit place we have 5. And if we will do the square of it, then what happens? We have to find the square of this number. But before that, we will check out that what is the position of x. The position of x is at 10th place. So here if we will write 10x plus 5, and if we will do square of this, then it will be same as x5 to the whole square, right? As we have already learned to do so. Like suppose if we have to do splitting of 35, so we will split into 30 plus 5, right? Why? Since 3 was at 10th place, that's why we have multiplied with 10. So it was 30. 5 was at unit place, so we will multiply it by 1, and so we have written like this. That's why in the same way we have done with x5. Okay, x is any number. It can be 2-digit number, it can be 3-digit number, but 5 should be there at the unit place. Now if we will solve this 10x plus 5 whole square, so what we will get? Using the same formula, a square, so 10 times 10 is 100, x is x square, 5 square is 25, plus 2ab. So 2 times 10x will gives you 20x, and 20x into 5 will result into 100x, right? Now if we will simplify this, we can see 100x is common in first and third place. So we can take 100x common. Now at the first place we will get x plus 1 of 100x, and rest part, that is your 25. Now I hope so you remember this simplification. Only that you will able to understand it better. Now we will try to arrange this in the form of we have found it for 625. So can we write in this form? Just what we have done. We have written x plus 1 first, then 100, and then last plus 25. X is whatever the number you are taking, and x plus 1 is the next higher number. We will multiply it by 100 and plus 25. As you can see here also we have done the same thing. Now if we will talk about x is what? If we will compare it, x is 2. Right, the first number that we need to find, and then x plus 1 is the next higher number. Next higher number after 2 is, I think so, 3. Yes, so in the place of x plus 1 we will write 3. Then according to the concept we have found, if we will write this after 2 into 3, we will write simple 100 and then plus 25, the rest part. And if we will find the result, you will get 600 plus 25, and on adding this you will get your final result, that is 625. I hope so you have understood the logic and the fundamental behind this. Now let us do one more example for more clarity. Now let us take 35 square. So what we usually do, to find the square of 35, here x is 3. Yes, then what next to do? As we have learned in the formula, see, x plus 1 into 100 plus 25. So let's write formula on this screen also, so that it will be easy for you to understand it more better. Now if you will see here, x is given as 3. Now if we will find the next higher number, or x plus 1, it will result as 4. Here if we will talk about the concept, so it is written in the same way, in the form of x5 whole square. X is your 3. Understanding everything what I trying to say? So now let's start doing. Here first of all we have to write x, that is your 3, into x plus 1, that we have already found, x plus 1 or 3 plus 1, that is 4, into 100 and plus 25. Understood? So now we will calculate it, 1200 plus 25, and easily, and 1225 will be your result. See how easily we have found the square of 35? Let us take another example. Let us take 75. We have to find square of 75. If you have understood the concept, then there is no use of writing the steps. You can easily do it. How you can easily do it? Write 7. Go to the next higher number, that is 8. 7 times 8. And then multiply by 100. And then in last add square of 5. So 7 times 8 is 56. And 5600 adding 25 will result in 5625. If you have understood this concept, you can do directly also. 7 times 8 is 56, and in last just add 25. 25 will be common in all the squaring of a number having 5 at the unit place. Like it 35 square 3 times and next higher is 4, so 12 and 25. Easy? Now let us take 3-digit number. So let's find the square of 125. So to find the square of 125, as you can see 5 that unit place and x is your 12. So 12 into next high number 13 multiplying by 100 plus 25. Easy? Just it is very important to understand that what is the concept. If you get any number, like if I say 45, so what you will do? What is the next high number after 45? It is 5. So 4 times 5 is 20 and 2025 is your answer. You just need to add 25 at the last. As you can see here, 15625 is just splitted into 15600 and 25. And if you will add this, 15625 is your answer. Understand? 25 will be added to these zeros. That's why we can do this question in 2 seconds also. 12 into 13 and then just add 25. How easy it is. In this way we can find the square of any number. I hope so you have understood all the concepts. Also, for better understanding of the concept, try to solve questions mentally. And if you find any difficulties, just feel free to ask us. We will learn more in our next video. Till then, take care and thank you.